In this video, we'll show you how to use Scalefusion Windows Deployer for seamless multi-application deployment. Step 1. Open the Scalefusion Windows Deployer by double-clicking the executable. If prompted, click More Info, then Run Anyway to proceed. Once launched, log in with your Scalefusion dashboard credentials to begin adding files for deployment. To add files, click Select Files in Scalefusion Windows Deployer, choose the executables, and click Open. You can also drag and drop files. The selected files will then appear in the Deployer wizard. Step 2. Define the order in which you want the files to be executed. Use the Move Up and Move Down buttons to arrange the files in the desired order. The top file will execute first. Step 3. Define properties for the files. Check the Execute button in front of any file to enable Properties button on the right. In the Properties dialog, enable Pre-Execution Check to validate if a file, folder, registry, or service exists. Select the validation type you want to perform from the drop-down and enter the required path in the text field. Select the action to be performed if the validation fails. Configure Post-Execution Check. Similar to pre-execution, same validations can be configured for post-execution. Provide necessary command line arguments for each executable. Execution context lets you choose the level at which the file has to be executed. Click Save after configuring all properties. In similar manner, you can define properties for other files to be executed. For MSI file execution, you must include /q or /qn like silent installation arguments in the command line. For agent enrollment, add the enrollment URL or code. If neither is present, specify the full execution command. Click on Reset to clear the properties defined earlier and provide them again while Cancel closes the properties window without saving them. You can upload a custom image of the .ico icon file format for your app if you want. Optionally, you can specify some other configuration settings for the compiled executable. Once you have filled in the details, click on Compile SFX-EXE to generate a self-extractable executable containing all configured files. Select a path on your local machine where you want to save and give a name for the file and click Save. It will take few seconds to compile the file. A progress bar will be shown during the process. When successfully completed, a confirmation message will appear. Click on OK. Navigate to Application Management, then Enterprise Store in your Scalefusion dashboard. Click on Upload New App, then Upload Windows App. In the Upload Windows App dialog, click on AXA to upload the generated AXA file. Provide the required basic details such as an app display name, an app version, and optionally upload an app icon image and click Next. Under App Upload tab, upload the self-extractable AXA generated in the previous step 4. Depending upon the app, you may have a single installer for 32 and 64-bit architecture or separate installers. Once done, click Next. Under App Argument tab, select the app installation mode, the installation arguments, and the uninstall information. This is the information that you have collected by following developer documentation or installing this app on a test machine. Provide the silent installation switch and other arguments that you want to pass to the installation process. You can add more than one argument if the app requires. The uninstallation path always should end with .exe. Click Next once done. Under the App Detection Rules tab, provide the app installation detection rules such as file or folder path, registry keys, or service name that would help Scalefusion agent detect when the app is installed or uninstalled. After providing all parameters, click Save to upload the application to Scalefusion. It may take few minutes for exe to upload. A progress bar will appear to show the progress of upload. Once done, the Publish dialog box will appear. Select the device profiles on which you want to publish the compiled exe and click Publish. The exe will be published to selected device profiles and the files will be executed on the device as per defined properties. On the end user's device, once extraction of files is completed, the files for which execution checkbox is checked, they will start executing according to their pre-execution check. You can verify app installation status by navigating to the App Management, then Enterprise Apps, and clicking on the View Status option of your published multiple executable app from the Scalefusion dashboard.